Hey YouTube, it's Brandon Red here with Ramen Noodle Budgets. This is kind of going to just be a really quick video or rundown of my next video that's coming up. And it's the Captain America Infinity War kind of Wakandan Black Panther style shield that we saw in the first trailer, and then we saw more in depth in the Super Bowl teaser. Now, this is completely 3D printed. The file actually comes from Do 3D. It's a pretty pricey file, but it's actually a really, really nice file. It actually prints in, so it's this entire section here, this divider, this section, and then obviously the front, which right now I have disconnected because in the next video I'm going to show is going to be having the full-on extending claw effect. Now, in the trailer or the teaser, we saw the two side panels come actually expand from the center, which is possible. It's going to be possible with the next print. This whole thing actually is going to be completely molded in a brush-on silicone and then cold casted with either an aluminum or iron powder to give it a real metallic sheen to it. Because I've never had a plastic Captain America shield, and I think that would just look so weird. I don't know. Cap shield usually it has to look metal, or it just doesn't look right. Besides, the Marvel Legends shield actually looks pretty great once you do the spinning effect. But I just wanted to show off some of the details I did so far. I completely 3D printed it, coated it in some clear, it's actually like amazing clear class resin. I usually use XTC 3D, but I found out you could use this stuff and I had it around. And then I did a lot of sanding, used some filler putty, and then painted the whole thing silver or like a metallic silver, and then taped off basically these chevron shapes and then the claws. And then once that was done, after I painted it matte black, I just took some steel wool and rubbed it all over the surfaces to get rid of the corners, to get the silver to start peeking through a little bit. So none of this was painted on silver. This is actually all rubbed off, which I think came out pretty good. It's the first time I ever did it. I actually want to try messing around with mustard to see how that does with like an actual cold casting, because I know you can put mustard down and then paint over it to create the chipped paint effect. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that off. I actually have a review coming up too for the Cosplay Sky General Hux costume that I'll be wearing the C2E2, as well as White Sheep Leather's Captain America Infinity suit, which I'll be weathering and wearing and showing off. So a lot to come up for the next few weeks to get you guys kind of excited. I know I haven't posted in literally like an entire 5 or 6 months. So I just wanted to get back out there and show you guys what's coming up next. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, comment, request below, and have a great day.